Okay, so welcome back to Kubernetes namespace. Okay, so we will discuss about namespaces now. Okay, so namespace, what is namespace? That is the first question. Namespace provide an additional qualification to resource name, and namespace is helpful when multiple teams are using the same cluster and there is a potential of name collision. It namespace can act as a virtual wall between multiple clusters. Okay, and here are the some important functionalities of namespace in Kubernetes. Namespaces help pod-to-pod communication using the same namespace. Namespaces are virtual clusters that sit on top of same physical cluster. They provide namespaces provide logical separation between teams and their environment. By this definition, I can say one thing that it is very difficult to understand what is exactly a namespace and how it can really help you. Without doing practical example, it is very difficult. I understand this problem and we will certainly do really complex part with namespaces. And let's begin with a small example. How to create a namespace. So let's copy this thing and here we specify a file as namespace demo. Okay, dot yaml. Okay, then I go to ChatGPT because I want to format it and it is formatted. Okay, so one more information in case your company doesn't allow you to use ChatGPT, then it's better to do these examples in your private computer or you find some alternative how you can format it. Okay, because I'm not using too much ChatGPT for this purpose, but I know that some organizations don't allow uh, their employees to use ChatGPT directly because ChatGPT uh, has some security or maybe some other concerns. I don't exactly know about it. Okay, so my file is formatted and now let's create a namespace. kubectl create -f namespace demo. Let's see error. It is already exist. Okay, so before this video I might have created something, so it is deleted. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, let's see, it is created. Okay, so what is written here? Get namespace. So I'll get all namespaces. So get namespace and here we got elk. Let's see why we are getting elk. First of all, here it is a name. Okay, this is a namespace elk, that's why. Okay, so it is active, status is okay. What else is mentioned here? Describe namespace. Okay, describe namespace. Okay, this is the quiet description, like label is this, annotation is none, status is active, and no resource, no limit range is specified. Yeah, this is a very small description, deployment file, namespace YAML file, I mean. Okay, so I did not mention any resource, so no resource and no resource limit is mentioned here. Okay, so now I delete this namespace. Yeah, it would be nice to delete it because next time if I create the same file, I'll get error if I don't delete it now. Let's see what happened. It is deleted. Okay, so here we are done with a very basic example of namespaces. However, these examples are yet to be done. Okay, Okay, so here we discuss a bit about what we did and what are the what how we can describe this thing. Okay, so we are using command to create a namespace. So kubectl create -f namespace.yaml. We could also use it as this. It will be same. Okay. Mm. Okay. So this will list all namespaces. So this command kubectl get namespace will list all namespaces. Kubectl get namespace with correct namespace name will list me the specific namespace that I have also shown you before. And then if we want to describe, like if you want to get the detail of that namespace, then we must specify kubectl describe namespace name of a namespace. And in case we want to delete a namespace, then kubectl delete namespace and namespace name, then it will delete that specific namespace. So yeah, we are done with this namespace basic example. Now we use namespace in service. And let's see, I specify it as namespace service demo, name space service array demo. Okay, dot yaml. And then I again go to chat GPT. I put it like this. I remove this file. I copy it. And if things are good, then yes, I copy it, paste it here. And here we have this thing. And we have got error because we don't have a namespace elk. To solve this problem, we have to create namespace elk. Okay, so what I do, that this namespace is created. And then this is namespace is also created. Okay, now if we want to see get service elastic search, what happened? It is not, I think it is with some other name. Wait a moment. Elastic search. What is the type of this file? Is service. So it is a resource, it is showing me a resource. Okay, describe elastic EARCH. It is not found. Okay, because it is not applied, I think. Yes, that's the question. Okay. Okay, so I apply it. Okay, so we will discuss this problem after clearing some issues, and I will certainly get back to this issue. Okay, because I have to explain you a few things like load balancer and other Kubernetes stuff. Then I will explain you this thing. Okay, so I stop it now, and I will certainly get back to this problem. It is in page 28. So